Good morning, Mumbai and hello world. We are at Vasai Industrial Expo 2022, and with me, Mr. Mahesh Bavishi sir is here. He's a partner, and Mr. Premal Bavishi sir is here. He's a partner also in Amit Enterprises, house of CNC and VMC cutting tools. So, Premal sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed here?
Yes, absolutely. Good morning, everyone. So basically, we have explained and showcased entire range of CNC cutting tools over here, right from CNC and VMC, whatever accessories, whatever cutting tools, whatever indexable cutters are applicable for machining, we have displayed everything over here.
So, can you brief our follower and subscriber? We are on round.
Yes, absolutely. I'll just show it to you. So, yes, as you can see, we have displayed the entire turning range of holders over here, following it with boring bars. We have boring bars right from 4 to 50 range, the entire range for turning machines. Then we have displayed grooving holders and parting holders along with face grooving holders, as you can see over here. Over here also you can see the variety that we cover is right from 16 by 16 holders to 32 by 32 which is the maximum size available in all CNC machines. The entire product range is displayed. We have got direct distributorship for ultra machine tools and elevate machine tools for the same. As we go ahead, we can see all the adapters displayed over here. The adapters displayed are ranging from BT30, BT40, BT50. They include ER collet chuck holders, side lock adapters, and face mill adapters. Also, we provide the accessories that are related to this over here. As we further go ahead, we have displayed micro boring kits over here. BT30, BT40, BT50 micro boring heads. The range is from 8 to 203 and the accuracy is 5 microns. As we can further go ahead, we have displayed ER collets over here along with hydrogrip collets. And coming to the specialty of our product, we have got direct distributorship for 3H brand as well, in which you can see the entire range of turning and milling inserts plus the cutter bodies for the same, the indexable cutter bodies for the same brand. As we further go ahead, we can see the spares that are applicable in CNC and VMC machine displayed over here. Now, what separates us from the other competitors in the business? First, we are a one-stop solution provider for entire range of CNC and VMC machines. For the same, for your micro machinings, we cater to micro boring bars, micro grooving bars, and micro facing bars. So, any application with diameter bore below 6 we have the tools ready stock for the same, along with the sleeves for the same. As we go ahead, again we can check. We have got an entire range of U drills with us. The the U drills include right from diameter 10 to 50 with the sizes of L by D2, L by D3, L by D4, L by D5 with an incrementation of 0.5 As we further go ahead, I would like to introduce my colleague, Mr. Anirudha, who represents Hoffmann, Germany.
Hi, my name is Anirudha. I am from Hoffmann Quality Tools. Basically, Hoffmann is German brand and we supply all the kinds of industrial product. But in this expo, we are basically focusing on our strength, solid carbide drills, end mills and taps. So let's start. So basically, this we have the self-centering vise. This is a unique vise in which the jaw move in both the direction. So in this, the accuracy is almost zero, and you will get the you no need to set the zero at every job. Then next we move to tool holders. We have premium tool holders for of Garant brand. We have all the kinds of shrink fit, hydraulic, and chuck holders. These all are made in Germany, and you can see the quality.
Very nice, sir.
Yeah. Then let's move further. This we have all the kinds of solid carbide end mill range. We have the end mill range for all the kinds of material. You can see we have hardened end mill. Then we have end mills for aluminium machining. This is all DLC coated end mills. We have chamfer cutters. Then these end mills for super alloys and high nickel alloys. Then this is roughers. So we have the entire range of end mill. Then let's move further. We have all the kinds of drill for all the kinds of machining. We have drills up to L by D 50. You can see this is long drills we have. Also, we can supply this 4 margin drill for aluminum machining.
So very innovative product we have seen in Amit Enterprise. Mahesh sir, can you brief more about your company, about your when you started this company?
My company is Amit Enterprise. My name is Mahesh Bavishi. I am started the business in tooling in 1984. After that, 2002, we have started the other business steel division, and we are today's operating steel division. And my son's Premal Bavishi is divided to this tool division because of he's a mechanical engineer, IT engineer. So he's interested for this product. So already my old business should be divided to Amit or Premal, and I am the regular in my business in steel. So
So Mahesh sir and Premal sir, thank you very much for your valuable time, sir. Thank you very much. And can you brief our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number so followers and subscriber can visit our stall and feel the live demonstration over here?
Yes, absolutely. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Bhavin for capturing such a wonderful shoot, and for all the visitors and subscribers. I would like to invite them to Vasai Industrial Expo, which is held at Hitendra Thakur ground, Valiv. Our stall number is A25. I repeat again, A25. You all are welcome. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
thank you very much.